What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to compare Upstart to other online lenders in 2025. So when comparing Upstart to other online lenders, there are key things, a couple of factors to consider. These are the factors. So the first is interest rates and fees. Now Upstart's APRs range from 6.7% to as high as 35.99%. Of course, that's depending on creditworthiness. Now, some lenders offer lower APRs for those with strong credit, while others specialize in bad credit loans. Now, Upstart charges an origination fee of 0% to 12%, whereas some competitors like Sophie do not charge an origination fee. So interest rate and fees is one of the key things to look at when comparing. There's also loan amounts and terms. Now, Upstart offers $1,000 to $50,000 with the terms of 3 to 5 years, whereas competitors like Lending Club and Prosper, these have similar limits, while Lightstream offers up to $100,000. So if you're looking for higher loans, then you might find some other in other places. Another thing to consider is eligibility criteria. Now, Upstart considers education, job history, and income, which makes it a good option for those with thin credit profiles. Whereas traditional lenders rely more on credit scores and debt to income ratio. So you can consider that when you're making a decision. And there's also funding speed. So next day funding is common with Upstart, whereas some other lenders like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, this may take several days for loan disbursement. So speed of funds is definitely a key factor. And there's also customer reviews and service. So you want to check Trustpilot's BBB and Reddit to compare customer satisfaction levels between these platforms. And you can also read real experiences about approval speed, repayment flexibility, and dispute resolutions, because that's going to matter a lot when it comes to deciding which of these services to make use of. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.